Hello there, welcome again to our series of topics under Smartsheets. And the previous videos, we have discussed the general functions of Smartsheet, and we have also built a sample Smartsheets and demonstration part. So today's topic is the continuation of that. So here are pre-built activity and list and assigned and statuses. So I will just discuss how we can actually build that and also update some of the things. So let me start from the title. Now it is untitled. Let me say it project activity tracker 2025. So let me say like that, and here we are in currently in grid view. So we can change the view from grid view to timeline view, board view, Gantt view, card view, and calendar view as we like. So first of all, let me actually change the head, some of the headings. The first one is let's say activity list. Assigned to is okay. Status is okay. Start date, end date, duration. If that has a risk, you can actually tick here. Otherwise, for the time being, let's leave it as it is. So here is under activity list. I have, for example, I have taken the activities of M&D activities, quarter one monitoring, quarter one reflection, smaller coaching, quarter one report writing, baseline assessment, theory of change development, log frame, weekly meeting one, RRT, monthly meeting, January, monthly meeting, February, and so on. If you have monthly meeting, so let me actually modify this one. Theory of change development. Here are the assigned people: Abdi, Bona, Dori, Hawi, Abdi, Bona, and so on. Here is the status. The status, we can actually build it using drop down. So once we click here, you can actually select the options from here. You can right here, and currently drop down list is selected. So according to this one, we have not started, in progress, and complete activities. Here is the duration, start date, end date, and the duration here, which will be automatically calculated. That will be the end date minus the start date. So here we have actually used, if it is completed, green color will display. If it is in progress, uh, blue color, and otherwise gray color. So that one is actually used. We used conditional formatting to set that setting. So I think we can actually display right now. We have actually corrected the heading. We can add the activity if you like. Just let's see with this one. Here is what it looks like in grid view. Let's look in board view. So in a board view, status categorization, here not started, we have here 3 activities, in progress we have here, and completed we have here. So we can drag and move the activity here. Okay, we have removed just the RT from progress to complete. Let me go back to grid view and see whether that is actually showing that for RT. Can you see it will automatically change it to completed. So the beauty of this is that you can actually change on the grid line as well as on even on board view. You can once, for example, this is in progress, you can just drag and bring it here, or if it is completed, you can drag and bring it here. So it is very dynamic. So this is in board view. We have 2 activities in board view, 4 activities in progress, and 5 activities are already completed. So let's see the Gantt view. Here is the Gantt view showing the progress of activities. Let us see card view. Card view, we have similar to the board view. We have 2 activities not started, 4 activities in progress, and 5 activities already completed. So that is in card view. Let us see calendar view. Okay, the calendar view also show us the activities. So here it is in 3 weeks. I think you can clearly see in the card view, grid view, and board view what it looks like. You can rearrange the activities as they are completed or in progress, either in this board view as well. So that will, if you make changes on board view, it will actually automatically also change here, or you can even either change from here. Let us make it, for example, change here for the first activity and the second activity. Currently, uh, let's make it complete and see again on board view. Can you see it? It is actually, now we have 7 activities under 7 activities completed, and 2 activities in progress, and 2 activities not started. So that's how we can actually use Smartsheet for project management, and it is very a useful project management tool where you can use it for effective implementation of the activities. Okay, let me look timeline. Yeah, the timeline shows us also the activity progress by individual assignees. Here, for example, for the first one, Abdi, he has activity in progress, activity not started, and activity completed. The same is true for others. You can actually see it by dragging down. So I think this is a very useful tool. One should use it for managing the project. So as I've already said, this is a very useful tool for managing projects. You can know easily which activity is already completed, which activities are actually ongoing or in progress, and which activities uh, are not completed. And you can actually change as you like and see your progress, and you can even support those individuals if needed. So that is it, and thank you very much. And probably we'll come back again with some additional uh, video on this, how to do some more advanced features. Thank you very much, and bye bye.